Riuma igogona ria kihena maithori nja wa kirabu kimwe mwena wa Nyali Mombatha riria mwiri wa mutigaire David Wokabi ukinyirio haria oragirwo ni arangiri a kirabu kiu. Aria maririe hindi igogona riu magicakaya gikuo giake ni magwetire mutigaire ta mundu mwendi thayo.
I'm just praying for a justice for myself, for my kids, for his friends, and for a Stanbic Bank.
Akiaria mwena wa gicua-ini munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Mombatha Johnston Ipara niaranĩire borithi ni marethana na ekwirwo eri aria mehithite niguo gutigirira kihoto ni giakinyanirio.
These particular persons that are due to appear in Shansu Law Court tomorrow, the two, where they will be charged for murder with the two others who are still on the run. But I also want to assure the public that we are hot pursuing them, and very soon they will also be arraigned in court. And I want to assure the family that we are on the course and we are there to ensure justice is done.
Wokabi akuire muthenya wa kiumia thutha wa gukoma thibitari kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe kuria arigitagwo thutha wa guthairikirwo ni arangiri acio. Mwiri wake riu niuthamirio guku Nairobi mbere ya mathiko maria magatabanio mwambiririo wa kiumia yukite makutano ma mwena kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.